Got a wedge aluminum top by Swiss. It's the 09 to 18 Ram crew cab with the 5.7 bed, the extra short bed. This is a pretty decent shape. It's a newer unit, so not a lot of use on this one here, so there's not a lot of damage on it. It's charcoal gray aluminum. It's got the full vision windows on the side. The side looks, I mean, it's pretty nice. There's not much damage on this at all that I can see. A couple scratches on the paint right there. The top looks really good all the way through here. Up until you get right into there's a couple dents just right there on the top in the aluminum skin. Really not much going on. There's a dent right there. Bottom edge looks really nice. It's got the screw cover on there, so that protects the edge anyway. But full vision side windows in this. Front window is a sliding front window. Again, not a lot of damage on this to see. You can see that dent there on the roof right there. Side looks good as well. No major damage to this. No damage down the bottom edges. That's all really good. This looks, this all looks good too. There's no damage in this section as well. So on this side also has the full vision side windows. The interior is just bare fiberglass, or sorry, bare aluminum. It's got screens in the windows. Screens look pretty good. No holes in the screens. Front sliding window. Doesn't appear that anything leaks. On this side, the screens are good as well. It's got the double T-handle locking rear door. So there it is. It's a wedge model aluminum cap by Swiss. Fits the 09 to 18 Dodge Ram with the 5.7 bed, the extra short bed, crew cab body. There's a link below to the listing on our site, so you can see where it is, how much it is, which location it's at, which store it's at. Also a link there to our site in general, just if you're looking for just repair parts for truck caps, doors, seals, locks, stuff like that, bed storage. Lift kits, leveling kits, all that kind of truck accessories we have on our website. There's a link to that as well down below. Thanks for watching.